Caitlin? Daddy's here, baby. Daddy's here, okay? We're... Caitlin? Hello?
Hi there, sir. You've been contacted because you know something special about you.
What?
We know what you possess. And for it to activate, you must make some
What the
improvements
fuck
to
are
your
you talking
aura.
about?
You must make some improvements to your aura. You must make some improvements to your aura. The number you have dialed is not in service. Please try again. The number you have dialed is not in service. Please try again. The number you have dialed is not in service. The number you have dialed is not in service. Please, Johnny boy, try again.
Alright, who the fuck is this and what did you do with my daughter?
Jonathan, may I call you Johnny for short?
No.
You had your daughter, Johnny, but she's no longer with us. You said someone took her, but they found her dead in your car.
I just talked to her. That doesn't make any sense.
You didn't, Johnny boy. I promise you didn't.
You're fucking lying. I just literally talked to her on the phone.
Daddy? Where are you?
Caitlin?
Dad, where are you?
Caitlin?
Daddy? Really, Dad? Daddy?
Daddy? Oh, where are you, Daddy? Daddy, I can't find you. Daddy? 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 Oh, Daddy. Oh, Father. Oh, Daddy. Where are you, Daddy? Daddy, help, I'm lost. I'm lost. Daddy, oh, Daddy, where am I?
What the fuck do you want from me?
We want you to go into your bag and pull out the red orb.
What is it?
Why, it's nothing but your little tiny soul, Johnny boy.
This can't be my
Oh, it is, Johnny, I promise you that.
Why did it turn from green to red?
Because you reached a point of acceptance, Johnny.
Accepting what?
Why, that death is only the beginning.
Where's my daughter?
She's dead, Johnny.
Why don't I know any of this?
Like, Johnny, I don't have time to explain. I can't bring her back because she's dead. She's waiting to be buried in the ground somewhere, and her soul is lost. If it's not guided to heaven, she risks damnation.
What do I need to do?
To die, Johnny boy.
What?
Kill yourself with the orb, Johnny. Johnny? Johnny?
Alright, so if I do this, she goes to heaven. What happens to my soul?
We're gonna feast on your soul for eternity, Johnny. Johnny boy? Listen here, Johnny. This offer doesn't last long. It's more of a take it or leave it kind of thing. You just gotta trust me, Johnny. Aren't I your pal? Aren't I your friend? I cut you this great deal. I'm saving your daughter.